What's cool about this is that you're actually going to get paid more if you translate words into different languages, and I'll show you why that is. But first, what's good about this is that you can play the audio and Google will start typing. You might think I'm joking, but let's start off by talking about Google Translate, which is the tool you will be needing to automate all of the work. What it hears, it will also translate it into a different language, so you have an English transcription and a Spanish translation as well. This is really cool and valuable because you could get paid twice just for typing what you hear in English and then translating it into Spanish. I'm going to outline the 4 platforms that will pay you to use Google Translate. So let's move on and visit the first website. This website's URL is scribey.com. Be sure to stick around because I will be ranking these from the lowest paying website to the highest paying website in the following. This is a very good website to start with. As you can see here, this is a freelance transcription site. You can work at your convenience and earn $5 to $20 per audio hour. We provide automated transcripts to save you $60 per audio hour. They will give you an automated transcript, and all you have to do is correct it in accordance with the provided audio. If you use Google Translate, it will type and correct the transcription for you. You can then submit the updated transcription. If you do it in a different language, you can earn even more. Some users of this platform are earning around $1,600 per month, which is respectable for just letting an audio file play in Google. The next website on our list is GoTranscript.com, which claims to have been operating since 2008 and has paid out over $4 million. You can work as much or as little as you want whenever you want on the site, and you can freely choose which projects to work on. The best part is that they also allow you to work with different languages, which will get you paid even more when it comes to payment. They've been around for quite a while. They'll pay you 60 cents per audio minute, and the top monthly earning on this particular site is around $1,200, which is pretty good. The next website is transcribeme.com, where you could get paid $60 to $70 per audio hour if you're on their special teams. Special teams obviously know multiple languages, but that's fine. Google Translate will do the work for you. They even offer advancement opportunities for their special teams that include medical and analytic fields. You receive weekly payouts every Friday for all work completed. This is an easy site to get started with. Complete a brief application, create an account, and then you can begin working on the following websites' transcribing tasks. You can choose from hundreds of transcription jobs on the site. All you need to do is click on Sign Up Now to be a REV transcriptionist and set up your account. They are paying $1.10 per audio minute, but if you go down here and you know a foreign language, they will pay you to transcribe in that language. On our list, REV.com is one of the highest paying sites, as you can see here. You'll get paid every Monday for all audio files translation. This is a well-known website. It has been highlighted in Forbes and on the Penny Hoarder. According to the Huffington Post and Business Insider, the best thing about working at this site's transcription jobs is the flexibility. You can work as much or as little as you like from anywhere. If you want to earn even more money, however, you should watch this video right away to learn how to make $6 per song you listen to, which is one of the best ways to make money online.